This is the 1968 Singer Touch and Sew Deluxe Zig-Zag model 628 sewing machine, and I am in love with it. It has a self-winding bobbin. I will do a separate tutorial on threading and winding the bobbin because there are some tricky elements that I discovered, and if you get everything correct, then it's not a problem. But I feel like the real test is denim. I make my own handbags. The material can get very thick. We repair my husband's Levi's denim jeans. So for me, that's really what it comes down to. Can it handle denim? And that's what I'm doing today. I am testing this machine on putting a different pocket on my husband's Levi's jeans. I do kind of need to guide it on the really thick part. That's really thick. Okay. Okay. Does not want to go through right there. So I'm going to move it slightly. There we go. All right. It wants to. I do need to guide it a little bit with the thicker spots, but it still seems to do pretty good. I mean, it seems to handle it pretty good. It did beautifully. And right at the end, it did sort of get tangled a little bit. But there it is. I've got a denim needle in, so it's a good strong needle. I've got the stitch length where it's supposed to be, around 10-12 stitches. I should mention that the manual for this machine is incredible because it's loaded with detail, including what thread to use and what stitch length to use depending on the type of material, from very, very light to very heavy. So for me, 10 to 12 for denim. And even when it was a little tough getting through the material, the foot didn't, like, the pressure was great. So now I just need to go around one more time on the inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to do a little top stitching. Glowing endorsement for this machine my friend bought for $20 at a garage sale. It just needed the upper vertical gear replaced. And I'll probably make a video on that because on this machine it's super easy to fix. And it honestly, in my opinion, the timing's really easy to fix as well. I will be posting those tutorials very soon.